Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can check your most played music on Spotify. So if you want to see what are like the most played music on Spotify all year round, which means like the music which you have listened the most in a year, you need to use a third party website called this. So let me show you the website. You want to go to this website called My Top Spotify IO. Once you search for this, the first option, My Top for Spotify, click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to ask you to log in into your Spotify account. And don't worry, it is pretty secure, so you don't have to worry about your account being hacked. Just make sure you're in the official website. Click on login to Spotify, and then it's going to log you in into your Spotify. From over here, you can click on view more. And after your account is synced, you need to wait for some time. And then it's going to show you your most played music from Spotify in the last 6 months, or you can go of all time as well, and it's going to show you. I hope you understand how you guys can do it. So in my case, it's not showing me anything because I just connected it. It takes a bit of time for them to load. But if you guys connect it and come back after 1 day or 5 or 6 hours, it's going to show you all of the top, music or the most played music from your Spotify list. So I hope you understand how you guys can check most played Spotify songs. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.